Jeezy and Jeannie Mai have both filed new court documents in their divorce and custody battle. Both of the exes submitted filings in Fulton County Superior Court on Thursday, 2.5 months after Jeezy initially filed for divorce. Jeannie submitted her counterclaim and response to her ex's divorce petition, and her filing argues in part that the court enforced the infidelity clause in their prenuptial agreement, saying in part that the prenup specifies, quote, "In the event that either party engages in sexual relations, an emotional relationship, or is emotionally or sexually suggestive in communication with a third party via all forms of electronic communication, including but not limited to texting, sexting, FaceTiming, social media, and/or direct messages, shall result in a significant financial penalty upon the adulterous party." A rep for Jeezy told Access Hollywood in a statement, "Any claim of infidelity on Mr. Jenkins' behalf are 100% false, and we have no further statements at this time." Jeannie's counterclaim also states that she reserves the right to amend her filing to, quote, "add other grounds for divorce." But as to what those grounds could be, she, quote, "does not wish to specify herein at this time, in hope that the matter can be resolved without having to disclose such conduct publicly." The document additionally states that the TV personality, quote, "admits the party's marriage is irretrievably broken." Per the document, Jeannie, who shares 1-year-old daughter Monaco with her estranged husband, is seeking primary physical custody of the toddler and requests that she and Jeezy be awarded joint legal custody, but that she be given, quote, "final decision-making authority." Earlier in the same day that Jeannie submitted the counterclaim, Jeezy filed his own motion for a temporary hearing, which requests that a judge, quote, "separate, structure, and clearly define the parties' temporary legal and physical custody rights," and set a parenting time schedule for Monaco. Jeezy's lawyers argued that the more informal way he and Jeannie have been making custodial and parenting arrangements is, quote, "becoming increasingly less feasible," and that the, quote, "lack of consistency, continuity, and stability inherently associated with such a haphazard and fluid parenting time schedule is stressful to the child." The document also claims that Jeannie, quote, "has acted as a gatekeeper when it comes to time with Monaco," and that this alleged interference is, quote, "causing confusion and tension between the parties," and is working to stifle the development of Jeezy's relationship with the child. However, the filing specifies that Jeezy, quote, "does not believe that Jeannie is acting maliciously or with specific intent to harm his relationship with Monaco." Access Hollywood has reached out to reps and legal teams for each of the estranged spouses regarding the filings. It was in September that Jeezy filed paperwork to end his and Jeannie's marriage and requested joint custody of Monaco. The news came more than 2 years after they tied the knot. Jeannie first addressed the divorce while stopping by Sherri Shepherd's talk show the following month. She called Monaco her North Star during this time and said of how she's doing, "I'm not going to lie. It takes every day to just really sit and just be quiet in your thoughts. Take care of me. But one thing I know is you give God your pain, he will give you his power." The following week, Jeezy broke his silence on the split, writing in part, "The decision to end this chapter in my life was not made impulsively and comes with a heavy heart. Despite this, my love and respect for Jeannie remains, and the time we spent together holds a cherished place in my heart. Our beautiful daughter is the best gift from our relationship, and I'm committed to assuring she feels the love and stability she deserves."